Well, students, now we are going to start the some of the parts of the exercises. So let's move to first of all to this part, analysis of patterns of text organization. Rather, leave it out. We don't need it. We'll move to grammar part. Grammar. Modal verbs. A detailed discussion of modal verbs is there in my grammar lectures. So with the help of that lecture, I hope you will be able to attempt this part of the exercise. Put appropriate. Appropriate means suitable, proper modal verbs into the gaps, into the blanks. We dashed to borrow umbrellas so we didn't get wet. So here obviously we need must. We must. We had to. We need here had. We had to borrow umbrellas. How do we know that had is needed there? We didn't get wet. Didn't get wet is past, so we need had here, past tense. We had to borrow umbrella, so we didn't get wet. I was so far from the stage that I couldn't see very well. Again, it's a past tense, so I couldn't see very well. He sees very badly. He dash wear glasses all the time. Here we are going to make a suggestion. So he must wear glasses all the time because he sees very badly. He needs glasses. So he must wear glasses all the time. You dash drive fast. There is a speed limit here. You must not. You mustn't drive fast. There is a speed limit here. We dash drive fast. We have plenty of time. We shouldn't. Here in part 4 we are using must not because there is a speed limit. There is a traffic rule there, speed limit. So we mustn't break that rule. Whereas here it's just a suggestion. We shouldn't drive fast. We have plenty of time. We have plenty of time. That's why we are not to drive fast. So we shouldn't drive fast. Then active passive voice. Put in the correct form of the verb to complete the following sentences in passive voice. A letter was written by SM. Present continuous. Okay. A letter was being written by SM. A letter is being written by SM. Present continuous is being. A letter is being written by SM. The words we have to change in present indefinite tense. The words explained by the teacher. The words are explained. Present indefinite. The words are explained by the teacher today. This road has this road is closed, is already closed because of snow. Present indefinite. This road is already closed. In passive voice, we are always to use the third form of the main verb. Written, explained, closed. So this road is closed because of snow. Is already closed because of snow. The dishes, present continuous. The dishes, and we are to make a negative sentence, not. The dishes are not being washed by my brother. The dishes are not being washed by my brother. Then negative sentence of present indefinite. I I am not called by the principal. I am not called by the principal. Then they are discussing the first conditional. Conditional sentences are of three types. So the first conditional is the conditional in which we talk about some condition whose result is about to come, whose result belong to the future. So the first conditional sentences are used to speculate. To speculate means to predict, to think or talk about possible situations in future that can really happen at present or in future. Whatever is going to happen after some time or in future may be expressed with the help of the first conditional. If they are busy people, they will miss the news. This sentence has been taken from your lesson. So if they are busy people, now this condition shows that they will miss the news in future. They won't be able to watch the news because they are busy people. Now the structure is if and present tense. In conditional clauses, we use present tense in the first conditional. We use present tense in the conditional clause, and usually a future tense is in the result clause in the other clause. Put the correct form of the verb to make first conditional sentence. If you get back late, we are to use first form, so get itself will come there. If you get back late, I will be angry or I shall be angry. If we wait here, we shall be late. We shall be late. If we go on holiday this summer, we shall go to Ziyarat. If we go on holiday this summer, we shall go to Ziyarat. If the weather does not improve, we have to make a negative sentence. So in present indefinite, does will be used. If the weather does not improve, we shall not have a picnic. We shall not have a picnic. They will go to the party. Now, be careful. Here, this clause is not conditional clause because it's not starting with if. Conditional clauses in first conditional usually start with if or some other conditional adverb. So this clause is actually the result clause, the other clause that they have put in the beginning now. So they will go to the party if they are invited. If they are invited. Here we are to use the form of be, and are is the form of be, and the sentence is in the passive. If they are invited. Then they are discussing silent letters. We'll do it in our classroom when you come back, inshallah. And then now we come to the end of the lesson here, end of the exercises. Okay. At the end, they have given this letter also. Hassan Raza is writing a letter of complaint to Mr. Haq Nawaz, the chairman of the Lahore Development Authority. The information in his letter is correct, but the style is informal. Rewrite the letter in a formal style and include the phrases in the boxes below. Now, this letter has been given in an informal, has been written in an informal way, and you are required to write it afresh, anew, using such expressions they have given here. We'll practice with this letter and other such things in our classroom actually. So here we come to the end of the exercise. Inshallah, in our next lecture, we'll start our next lesson also. Thank you very much.